Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood and Roses on guitar. We'll start by looking at the essential chords. The song primarily uses 5 open chords: E minor, G, D, C, and a minor. These are fundamental shapes, making the song accessible for many players. Focus on clean finger placement and smooth, quick changes between these chord shapes to build a solid foundation for playing the song. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which gives Blood and Roses its distinctive feel. The main pattern involves a consistent down-up motion, often emphasizing the downstrokes. Think of a driving, steady rhythm. A common approach is down, down, up, down, up, but listen closely to the original recording to capture the exact feel and accents. Practice this pattern slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Understanding the song's structure will greatly enhance your performance. Blood and Roses follows a typical verse-chorus structure with a bridge. Notice how the intensity of the strumming can change between sections. For example, the chorus might be played with more force than the verses. Experiment with dynamics, playing softer in some parts and louder in others, to add depth and emotion to your rendition of the song. To master Blood and Roses, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing each section at a slow tempo, ensuring accuracy before increasing speed. A metronome is an invaluable tool for developing precise timing. Once comfortable, try playing along with the original recording by the Smithereens. This will help you internalize the nuances of the song and prepare you for a confident and enjoyable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.